Good morning, class. Today we watched the story of Cinderella. And I know, boys, not your favorite, but tomorrow we're watching about Bigfoot Cinderella, and you'll like it because there's some gross words in there. So, we're going to start off about our story of practicing how to do a five-finger retell. So, I know most of my students remember, but I just want to remind everybody. So, we have our setting. That's where the story took place. Our characters, that's who's in the story. Our problem, what's wrong that we need to solve. Events, you can do beginning, middle, end on events. So you can pick 3 major events, and I'm going to let you guys do that today. And our solution is how the problem is finally solved. So let's go look at the one I've got over here for me to type in. So, if we are talking about Cinderella, who are our characters, there's obviously one we can name real quick, Cinderella. And you can probably name a few others, and when you do your five-finger retell, you can draw your hand, and you can add the other characters besides Cinderella today. What is one of our settings? I'm thinking of the Princess Ball. So maybe the castle. We could say the castle is a setting, and there's a couple of other settings, so I'd like you to think of another setting where the story takes place. All right, we got to think of an event. We've got our beginning, our middle, and our end. Now, I think I'm going to give you one of the events, but not all. I know one of the major events for all the girls is Cinderella loses her slipper when running away from the palace. All right, so that gets us one of our events. And we've still got to do our beginning, which you're going to finish for me, our middle, and our end. What is one of our problems? Can you think of a problem in the story? Her stepmother makes her do all the chores. We could say her makes Cinderella do all the chores. And I'm sure you can think of another problem. There's other problems in the story. And I'm not going to do solution because there's really one major solution. So today, when you go back, we're practicing our five-finger retell. I want you to draw me your hand like we do for our five-finger retell. I want you to add some characters, add me another setting, finish the beginning, middle, end for events, think of another problem from our Cinderella story, and write our solution. So I did some of it, now you've got to do some of it, and I know this is a great review for you. And I've got some exciting stuff tomorrow. We'll be listening to Bigfoot Cinderella, and we're going to get to draw Bigfoot, and you're going to get to write about Bigfoot. So it's a very, very Bigfoot week. All right, friends, I will show you tomorrow our caterpillars. They've gotten super big. So I'll be back with you later, but I want you to work on your five-finger retell. I love and miss all of you. Have a great day.